front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connections and select Bluetooth feature. If it's not already on, tap on this switcher. Now wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one. Now you need to select Pair in the pop-up in order to connect, and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by tapping on this gear icon next to the device. Now select Unpair at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one again, just click on it and select Pair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!